Hey guys, I'm going to make this real quick. I got a couple of clips after this conversation with you. Look at my hair. This is the wind. It's awful. Oh my gosh. Maybe 45, 50 miles an hour, something like that, the gust. It blows me away, you know. Alice is small like me, and Noah isn't that big. And woo, that wind is blowing us all over the place. If you see this rocking, it's because of the wind. Hold on, I think Noah's is coming in. Anyway, I'm back. Yeah, the wind is it's unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. There's no way I would get on the highway with my bus with this wind. No way. So hopefully tomorrow it's not going to be like this. Not supposed to be anyway. But anyway, I just wanted to get with you all, give you a little bit of an update, and I'll attach a couple of the clips after where we went to the laundromat and we went to IHOP. Okay. All right. Here in White City, okay, that's called the Cactus Cafe restaurant. It's not open. A lot of things aren't open around here. But look at those cute little cabins that they have. That's adorable. And this is what I wanted to show you. I love these old wagons. Look at that. Wow. Hey, we could take that, and hey, we don't have to worry about gas. Of course, you got to feed the horses, but oh, Noah says we needed a wagon. Okay, there's a wagon. We can take that with us. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is in White City. Okay, it's a big city, yeah. But most of the stuff is in this building. And they got a little grocery store and gift shop and a little of everything. And the laundromat, which is where we're at, doing our laundry. Wind is terrible. Oops, I can't get the door open. But we're doing our laundry day because we're leaving tomorrow. Oh, okay. Thank you. Because we're leaving tomorrow. So we're getting all of our laundry done. Alice and Noah and I and everybody else. Okay, I'm out of breath. I'm going to let y'all go for right now. Well, guys, here we are at IHOP. We were going to go to Denny's, but Denny's, they serve breakfast, but then they don't open again until 2:30. So here we are at IHOP, having breakfast and lunch. I'm having lunch. But, yeah, we've accomplished enough today. We got the laundry done. Noah put the oil into the bus and antifreeze. And the wind is so strong that it almost blows you away. Poor Alice, it blew her hat off her head. She had to go chasing after it. It was so funny. I haven't got you in it. I've got you this out.
I didn't think it was funny.
Yeah, she did. But anyway, I just thought I'd get back with y'all and let y'all know what we're doing. And we'll be heading back to the campsite pretty soon. But until later. Talk to you later, guys. Hello, are you going to go off? Hello.